Hello everyone. Let's dive into the ProtoArc EKM01 Plus Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo. If you're someone who spends long hours typing, you know how crucial ergonomics are. This combo aims to provide comfort and support, potentially reducing strain and boosting productivity. The first thing you'll notice is the split design of the keyboard. This isn't just for looks. It's designed to position your wrists and forearms in a more natural, relaxed posture. It might take a little getting used to if you're coming from a traditional keyboard, but the potential benefits for long-term comfort are significant. The full-size layout is great for those who need all the keys, including the number pad. The keys themselves are scooped, which ProtoArc says are designed to match the shape of your fingertips. In practice, this translates to a comfortable and responsive typing experience. Each keystroke feels precise, and the keyboard offers a good level of tactile feedback. A standout feature is the cushioned wrist rest. It's curved and uses a soft memory foam layer to provide ample wrist support. This is a major plus compared to standard keyboards without a wrist rest, as it minimizes wrist bending and promotes a more neutral posture. The adjustable tilt legs are another thoughtful addition, allowing you to customize the keyboard's angle for optimal comfort whether you're sitting or standing. Connectivity is versatile, with both Bluetooth and USB options. This makes it easy to connect to a variety of devices, including laptops and desktop computers. The multi-device support is a definite advantage, allowing you to switch between devices seamlessly. Plus, the fact that it's rechargeable means you won't have to worry about constantly replacing batteries. The mouse is also designed with ergonomics in mind, complementing the keyboard's features. It fits comfortably in the hand and allows for smooth and precise tracking. The buttons are responsive and well-placed, making it easy to navigate and perform tasks. Overall, the ProtoArc EKM01 Plus Ergonomic Wireless Keyboard and Mouse Combo is a solid option for anyone looking to improve their typing experience and reduce strain. The split design, cushioned wrist rest, and adjustable tilt legs all contribute to a more comfortable and ergonomic setup. While it may take some time to adjust to the split layout, the potential benefits for long-term comfort and productivity make it a worthwhile investment. If you're experiencing wrist pain or discomfort from typing, this combo is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.